Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a super handy trick to save money on Amazon. I'm going to show you how you can create a deal alert for the products you want. First, open your Amazon app. Once you're on the home screen, you'll need to navigate to your account. You can do this by tapping the account button located at the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down until you find the message center. This is where all your alerts and notifications will be stored. Inside the message center, you'll see an option for alerts. Tap on that and it will show you the latest products you've searched for. For example, let's say you've been searching for the Ninja Foodi. To create a deal alert for this item, simply tap on Create Alert. And that's it. You've successfully set up a deal alert. Now, whenever there's a deal on the Ninja Foodi, you will get a notification right here in your message center. Creating deal alerts is a great way to ensure you never miss on a discount for the products you want. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss any Amazon tricks and tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.